I'm Trevor Bremner, an independent consulting geologist for Kodiak Exploration Limited.
Kodiak is pleased to announce a spectacular new gold discovery on its 100% controlled Hercules property near Thunder Bay, Ontario. Over 5 kilometers of gold-bearing structures have now been exposed on surface. This is the Golden Mile, a strongly mineralized structure with pyrite, base metal sulfides and frequently occurring visible gold, where trenching has exposed gold-bearing quartz carbonate veins up to 11 meters wide.
Flying along the Golden Mile to the northwest, you can see the remarkable strength and continuity of these veins over a strike length of more than 2 kilometers. High grades of better than 30 grams per ton gold are common, and continuous gold mineralization has been traced in channel samples over a strike length of 365 meters, averaging 20.2 grams per ton gold over an average of 3.8 meters. This includes channel highlights of 9.55 meters grading 27.04 grams per ton gold, 3.1 meters grading 119.63 grams per ton gold, and 4.5 meters grading 57.62 grams per ton gold. 41% of grab samples collected along the Golden Mile contain more than 10 grams per ton gold, and every drill hole to date has intersected gold mineralization. This structure remains open in all directions, highlighting the tremendous untapped potential of this massive gold-bearing structure. This area is part of the Beardmore-Geraldton Gold Camp, where historic gold mines produce some 4.1 million ounces at high average grades. The Leach mine, for example, 30 kilometers southwest of here, produced 1 million tons with an average grade of almost an ounce per ton to a depth of 4,500 feet. The Leach and other high-grade gold mines in the area remain open at depth. The Golden Mile runs northwest-southeast, similar to gold-bearing structures in the Red Lake, Timmins and Kirkland Lake gold camps. Kodiak's wide-spaced, shallow drilling has confirmed high-grade gold mineralization that is open along strike and to depth. With a smaller surface expression than the Golden Mile, mineralized structures in the Red Lake and Beardmore-Geraldton gold camps grade better than 14 grams per ton gold over average mineralized widths of about 2 to 3 meters and extend to depths of 1 to 2 kilometers. The lack of deep drilling in this district, where gold deposits typically go down more than 1.5 kilometers, underlines the potential for Hercules to host a significant gold resource. This is a close-up view of the Golden Mile. The vein here is more than 11 meters wide, and trenching has shown that this individual vein is continuous for more than 1 kilometer along strike. An 11.6 meter channel sample across the Golden Mile averaged 32.95 grams per ton gold. That's almost an ounce over 38 feet. This channel sample included a 2.95 meter section grading 119.63 grams, close to 3.5 ounces over 10 feet. A 4 meter drill intersection beneath it returned 6.9 grams per ton gold. That's close to 1/5 of an ounce over 13 feet. This shows that gold mineralization is continuous from surface to a depth of at least 40 meters and remains open. Here you can see the Yellow Brick Road, a parallel gold system to the northeast. Numerous other quartz veins have been uncovered in the 1 kilometer interval between the original Wilkinson Lake Yellow Brick Road system and the recently discovered Golden Mile. The veins are all stacked parallel to each other within a 3 square kilometer area that remains open. You can see from the extensive forest and till cover why this large greenstone belt between Timmins and Red Lake remained largely unexplored until logging opened up the area in the 1990s.
Trenching has exposed the Yellow Brick Road over a strike length of 1.2 kilometers, and wide-spaced drilling has established it is also mineralized with gold along its entire length. At the southeast end of the Yellow Brick Road is the WL Zone, the site of Kodiak's Bonanza gold discovery last year, where hole 3 intersected 9.7 meters true width, grading 15.9 grams per ton gold. That's 0.46 ounces over 32 feet. This high-grade mineralized chute has now been intersected in 4 drill holes, as well as surface channels.
Here on the left, the Pendleton zone is offset along the Kinghorn Road by a left lateral fault. The Pendleton vein is also up to 10 meters wide, and surface samples have assayed up to 37.07 grams per ton gold, with channels up to 8.9 grams over 1.5 meters. The Pendleton merges northwest into the main Yellow Brick Road, which has proved similarly gold-bearing. 7 other parallel veins, including Merino, can be seen to the left of the Yellow Brick Road, between the major Golden Mile and Yellow Brick Road systems, bringing the total length of newly exposed gold mineralized quartz veining on the property to approximately 5 kilometers, and it remains open in all directions. At Merino, a recent drill hole intersected 38.47 grams per ton gold over 1.6 meters, including 93.18 grams per ton over 0.6 meters. Other veins continue to be discovered almost daily by prospecting and geophysics, and the potential for further discovery is enormous. These discoveries to date are likely only the tip of the iceberg. The Golden Mile, Yellow Brick Road, Merino, and other new vein systems at Hercules show many similarities to multi-million-ounce gold districts like Red Lake, Timmins, and Kirkland Lake, where mineralization typically extends to depths of more than 1.5 kilometers. Drilling has been completed on less than 10% of the Hercules structures, so most of the strike length remains untested and open. A system of this scale and geometry can build up tonnage quickly. Kodiak is ramping up exploration to explore the Hercules property at depth, and believes the Hercules project has strong potential for a multi-million-ounce gold deposit. The discovery of new gold-bearing structures of this scale and geometry in a proven Archean gold camp with great access and infrastructure is an extremely rare opportunity. This gold system clearly ranks as one of the most impressive the geological team has seen in their careers. Kodiak's team is extremely optimistic and is looking forward to the future with much anticipation.